Alright, so for this one we want the horizontal to be down here at the bottom. So I'm going to move it down to 3.5, which is right here. Okay. Alright, so this may need to go up a little bit. This may need to go up. So your sun, you want it, that left edge to be 2 inches. So I moved the vertical guide to 2 inches here. And that way I can move the sun so that the left edge touches that, and then that is on the bottom. Okay, so just to double check the moon, I'm going to move my alignment bar to, let's see, 2 inches left of the center, right there. And then the lower edge should be at 3.5, which it is, I believe. Alright, so the moon should be 2 inches left of the center. So I need to move this over 2 inches left of the center and then touching that bottom. And then the sun is 2 inches right of the center. One, two, three, 4, 5. Alright, the left edge is 2 inches right. It says along the 5th vertical grid line from the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to move that over so I can see it. And now I should be able to put that right where it needs to be. And the bottom should be touching. Also, I had to move my vertical bar over here 3 inches and make sure my banner was touching at 3. And it's also touching at the bottom at 3.5. So just make sure your banner is right, and then you can kind of compare to the enlarged image. Alright, now we're going to select the moon, banner, and sun shape. So you're going to select and hit shift so that you select all 3. And we are going to click to the merge shapes button. So go to drawing tools, format, insert shapes. Okay, merge shapes. And we want to click on the combine command. And so now it'll look like that, and it does. Alright, and then we want to, let's see, after we do that, alright, and then we're going to type a smart thermostat in the banner, press enter, and type works, night, and day. And then we're going to increase the font size, let's see, to 24. Alright, and then we're going to display the View tab and Show, and click the Guides text box to clear that, to clear the check mark and hide the guides. Alright, now we're going to insert a star, so we're going to go to illustrations, and then we're going to go to shapes, and then we want to do the sixth shape in the first stars and banners row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are going to I'm just going to put it in somewhere and move it out of the way. Alright, we want to resize the star to 3 by 3. Now after you have resized the star, and it looks like we'll move it on up here. To right there. Alright, with the Drawing Tools Format tab, Shape Styles group, we are going to do the shape fill, and we want a picture. And we're going to do that from a file. We want the light bulb picture that you downloaded. So mine is going to be in downloads. And probably right here. Alright, so we should have the light bulb there inserted. Alright, I'm going to have to backtrack a little because something happened to the video. So I'm going to go back, but I've already made the changes after we put the light bulb in. Let's see. Alright, so we did apply the picture, and I think that's where we had stopped. So what you have to do next is, with the star still selected, so your star's not going to look like mine yet, but you're going to do the shape format, and you're going to do the shape styles group, and you're going to point to the weight to display the weight list. So if you go to shape outline, you're going to want the weight to be 6 points. So you go to shape styles, shape outline, weight, and you want to make sure you select 6 points. Alright, so that's going to make that a little bit thicker. And then with the shape still selected, you're going to point to green for the outline. So if you go to shape styles and you go to shape outline and you scroll down, it's the 6th one, and you're going to select that, and that's going to give you the green outline. So once you do that, you're going to change the outline to a dash, and we want the round dot dash. So what you do is you go to shape styles, shape outline, and then your dashes, and you want the round dot selected. Alright, once you do that, you want it to glow, and you want it to be the second color in the last row. So you go to shape styles, shape effects, and you go to glow and you make sure that this one is selected. This one right here. Alright. And then you want it to be, okay, that's the one that we selected. Now to rotate. So you're going to rotate this. You want it to be negative 15 degrees. So when you select that and you go to arrange and rotate, you want to go to more rotate options and you want to do it negative 15 degrees. Alright, then we're going to add the title to the slide. So now I think y'all are caught up with me. Manage your energy. That's going to be the title for this slide. And display slide 1. Let me check this title real quick because it looks, I guess it'll tell me if I need to make it larger. Alright, add and format a shape. So you're going to display slide 1 and then insert the rectangle top corner snip shape in the rectangular area. So insert let's see, illustrations, shapes, and you want the rectangle top corners snip for shape. Proportionally size this shape to 2.2, so 2.2 by 2.2. Alright, then you're going to fill the rectangle with the house image. So let's see, shape styles, shape fill with a picture, and from our file go to your downloads and it's going to be the house one. So click on house and insert. Alright, and then it says with the picture located, rotate the rectangle left 90 degrees. So rotate left 90. Okay. And then flip the picture horizontal. Okay. Alright, now it wants us to add a 3-point outline to the rectangle. So change the outline style to square dot. So we want the outline to be glow 11 point. Let me go back. Glow 11 point. Green accent color 2. So this one. We also need to do the square outline. So that would be this one right here. Square dot. So that the outline is a square dot. And we'll pick up in the next video right here.